You are going to love the 2011 Enclave. The Enclave offers 3 rows of seats, standard, with seating for up to 8 passengers. Not only is it roomy and stylish, but Buick really did its homework on this vehicle. They did not cut any corners. This vehicle has less than 150,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, remote engine start, traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, alloy wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.